Is your site down because you can't find where to change the DNS IP? I'll show you exactly where to click. This is one of those panic moments that can feel really overwhelming. Your website is broken, your service is offline, and you know you just need to update one little number. But when you're staring at the Cloudflare dashboard, nothing looks familiar. It happens to the best of us. By the end of this video, you'll be able to update your IP address in under 2 minutes, and you'll know exactly where to look next time. So here's the plan. We're going to log into Cloudflare, pick the domain we need to work on, and then edit the DNS record. No guesswork, no clicking around hopelessly. Just a few clicks and you're done. All right, let's start. First, open your Cloudflare account. Go ahead and head over to cloudflare.com and sign in. This might take a moment to load, which is totally normal. Once you're in, you'll see a list of all the websites or domains you have set up with Cloudflare. This is your dashboard, and it is your home base for everything we're about to do. Now, here's the next step. Click on the domain you want to work on. Look through that list and find the website that's having the issue. Just click on the domain name itself. It will take you to that site's overview page. This is where you can see all the settings and analytics for that specific domain. So now that we're on the right domain page, we need to find the DNS settings. Look over on the left side panel. You'll see a list of different options. Click on DNS. It's usually right there in the middle of the sidebar. This opens up the DNS management area, which is exactly where you need to be to update that IP address. And here's the really important part. Once you click on DNS, you might see a couple of tabs or sections. Go ahead and click on Records. This is where all your individual DNS entries live, things like the A record, the CNAME record, and so on. This is the heart of the operation. Now we need to find the specific record that has the old IP address. Scroll through the list until you spot the one you need to change. It will usually be an A record that points to an IP address. Take your time here. You don't want to edit the wrong one. If you're not sure which one it is, look at the name column. It will usually match your domain or a subdomain, like www or mail. Once you've found the right record, look over to the right side of that row. You'll see a button that says Edit. Click on that. This will open up a small window or a panel where you can actually change the values. Now, pay attention to this one. In that Edit panel, you'll see a field for the IP address. This is where you type in the new IP address. Double-check that number before you do anything else. A single wrong digit and your site still won't work. So take a breath and make sure it is exactly right. When you are absolutely sure that new IP address is correct, click on the Save button. And just like that, you're done. Your DNS record is updated. It might take a few minutes for the change to spread across the internet, but you have done your part. You successfully navigated the Cloudflare dashboard, found the right record, and updated the IP address. No more frantic searching. You've got this now. If you found this helpful, give the video a like and subscribe for more quick fixes like this one. Thanks for watching.